Are you trying to keep your hair bright? Finding it difficult to go to the salon very often? If your hair is naturally or artificially colored blonde, you may find keeping it light is a real headache. Here are 8 cheap, natural ways to keep your hair bright. In fact, most of these ingredients can be found in your kitchen. 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is the best way to lighten your hair, since it's the most effective. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which allows the sun to lighten the hair. Mix 1 part lemon juice with 3 parts water and spray it on your hair before going outside. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda will lighten your hair, and also get rid of any chemical buildup from before. The first step is to mix a 1/2 cup of baking soda and water to make a paste. Make sure the paste is not too thin, because it will slide out of your hair. But if it's too thick it won't work either, because it will dry too quickly. Make sure it's just right, and put it in your hair. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it out. 3. Honey. Because it has hydrogen peroxide, honey is a great way to bleach the hair. Honey is also very moisturizing, which keeps the hair from drying out from the lightening. Add some vinegar or water to the honey to keep it from sticking to your hair. Mix honey with water or vinegar, and put it in your hair. Wrap your hair in plastic wrap and then put on a shower cap or towel to make sure it stays in place. Leave it in your hair overnight and wash it out in the morning. 4. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea lightens the hair slowly, so it's a better idea for brunettes. Make some tea and then let it cool. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner and then rinse it with the chamomile tea. 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon will softly lighten dark hair, without the worry of a brassy or orange tone. It can be used as much as you like because it's not harmful for your hair. Mix cinnamon powder with conditioner and apply it evenly in your hair. Put on a shower cap and leave the mixture in your hair overnight. Rinse with shampoo in the morning. 6. Beer. Beer is a good way to lighten your hair, since it will also fix the damaged strands. Make sure to find a light beer and wash your with it. 7. Salt. If you've ever gone swimming in salt water, you may already know that salt is a great lightener. Mix 1 part salt with 5 parts water and rinse your hair with it. Wash it out after 15 minutes. 8. Rhubarb. Rhubarb is another natural way to lighten your hair. Use it carefully though, because rhubarb has pectin, which can be very sticky if it stays in your hair for too long. To make the mixture, boil 1/4 cup of chopped rhubarb in 2 cups of water. Drain it, and then wash your hair with it. Leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it out with clear water. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.